18 years anniversary of Matrix Geo Solutions. 18 years ago, two friends looked at the ground beneath India's feet and saw something no one else did. Not soil, not stone. A story waiting to be mapped, of railways yet to be laid, roads yet to connect, rivers yet to be understood. They didn't just start a company. They stepped into a world called Geospatial, and they brought India with them, introducing a nation to a technology and an innovation it hadn't yet imagined for itself. In these 18 years of bringing innovation to India, we've built a presence that now spans pan-India. And we didn't stop at one sector, because India doesn't run on one sector. We followed the tracks into railways and metro. We walked the length of roads and highways. We stood beside farmers in water and agriculture. We went underground for mining and offshore for oil and gas. We uncovered history in archaeology, and we mapped the everyday lives of cities and rural India. We powered progress, quite literally, in power. Along the way came something we value more than any milestone: trust. The trust of 200+ clients reflected in 4 million+ hectares mapped and 1,000+ projects delivered successfully. And when India needed us beyond business, we showed up too. When the Dharali flood struck Uttarkashi in August 2025, our team was on the ground in Dharali, Harsil and Sukinala, deploying drones and geospatial technology to support search, rescue and rehabilitation efforts, work the Indian Army itself recognized. We supported the Mahakumbh Mela's planning with pre- and post-monsoon surveys. And beyond disaster response, we stood behind causes close to our heart. Then came one of the defining moments in our journey. In 2025, what began as a private ambition became a public success. Matrix Geo Solutions took its place as a publicly listed company, a milestone that wasn't simply about ringing the market bell, but about 18 years of perseverance, innovation, and the unwavering belief of everyone who walked this journey with us. It marked the moment our vision became a shared promise, opening the next chapter of growth, accountability, and opportunity. Through it all, we built partnerships and created value, delivering the right technology at the right time, proving our commitment to exceptional excellence. But our real secret was never just technology. It was our people, the ones who stayed with us through every high and low, whose passion and potential became our own. We performed as one, we learned as one, we grew as one, and we cared for each other as one. We'd like to take this opportunity to thank our loyal customers, whose trust made every one of these milestones possible. And to our people, our friends, our family, whose hard work and loyalty never once felt like work, but like their own responsibility. You stayed with us through every high and low, and decidedly worked toward a growth we all shared as family. To everyone else who helped us along the way, thank you. We couldn't have done it without you. 18 years ago, we saw the ground differently. Today, we see the road ahead the same way, because the story of India's infrastructure is still being written, and we dare to think ahead, together.